Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Devanjan and I'm currently in my final year of my BTech pursuing Electronics and Communication Engineering from St. Thomas College of Engineering and Technology. I live in Kolkata with my mom and dad and I did my schooling here. I work as a desktop support engineer at Superton Infotech Private Limited. The company generally deals with software and hardware design solutions. I have 1 year of experience, and as a desktop support engineer, I generally deal with hardware troubles, software related issues, server joining, Windows troubleshooting, domain joining, new user creation, printer configuration, etc. Mostly on a daily basis, the problems that we handle are mostly related to new user creation, troubleshooting, fault finding, etc. If it's operating system related issue, it will be BSOD, black screen error, system hanging. If it's networking, then it will be like system network connectivity issues, link failure, proxy server error, etc. I and my team handle around 150 plus users and computers. On a daily basis, I resolve around 20 to 25 tickets, and my team manager is Mr. Ganesh Murthy sir. The antivirus that was used in our organization was Symantec Endpoint Protection version 14. I'm looking for a job change as the contract with my company is going to end in the next week, and also I want a career growth in my life. As my strength, I work really under pressure. Well, I get the job done no matter what. I'm an excellent team player and I really want to showcase my skills to a esteemed organization. I'm willing to reallocate as soon as I get my offer letter, and I'm willing to join immediately. Thank you.